Bob's been complaining about this noise in his drain. He says it sounds like there's some kind of gurgle in the pipes. I think I have the answer. I even drew a picture. It's an underground pipe monster, very rare, but totally possible. I'm gonna help him get rid of this problem.
So Steve, she's kind of probably not in the right area there. Those noises that I'm hearing, what is that? I'm guessing, because I've been around three-way plumbing for a while, that it's something to do with a root.
When you hear gurgling,
Yeah.
funny noises in your
Yeah.
plumbing system,
Yeah.
that's a sign that something's not right.
So it could be a root what do they do? How do they get into
Well, you've got PVC pipes, cast
Yeah.
iron pipes. They basically glue together on the plastic.
Yeah.
And the ground shifts. It's not glued correctly.
Uh-huh.
You get a crack.
Yeah.
Roots seek moisture.
Yeah.
They grow in like the size of your hair.
Yeah.
They
That's
start
all
growing.
it takes?
That's all it takes. They start growing in there, and they multiply because they're eaten.
So what do you do?
What do we do? When we have a problem, we have a camera we can stick down your drain pipe. Find out what your problem is.
So the camera can actually go in and remotely see exactly what's going on
Exactly.
inside.
That's really gonna help a lot. Thanks, Steve.
So the camera can actually go right in and see exactly what's inside the drain.
Exactly.
And if there's nothing there, then you're fine.
Then you're fine.
Yeah.
I call it seweroscopy.
And so if there is something there, what do you do with three-way plumbing?
We can locate it,
Yeah.
find out where it is, to find out the depth,
Yeah.
and give the customer an option to dig it up and repair if it's something
Right.
major.
Right.
And they decide on what they want to do, and we can take care of it for them.
And then it's
A
done.
warranty, and
That's
it's
it.
done.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Good. See, now that makes sense.
Did you get it?
There he is. Hey, little bugger.
No, where?
In the corner of the
I told
street.
you. I told you.
Well, thanks a lot for the help.
Happy to help,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
Hey, what do you think of my outfit?
You know, after 20 years, you're starting to get to me. Yeah.